Check, sound check. Alright, yung gabi sa tanan, yung gabi, no? Today, meron tas ang last na lang nga topic which is 22 and 23. Alright, mga 22 di nakabutang Jean Piaget tapos diri 22 man. Alright, session number 23. Jean Piaget, alright? Jean kay tandaan niyo si Jean daan may ano, may Phoenix Force. Niya buhok daw Phoenix na wala padlapad na guys. Alright, Jean Piaget's cognitive development. Cognitive, of course, maganda cognitive sa brain. O, kita ng brain ni Jean. Kita. Alright. Jean Piaget, alright, Swiss developmental psychologist. Of course, ginaba ko na brain, psych gyapon, malibot kita dira. Describe niyo ni ang major concepts and definition ng schema, organization, adaptation, assimilation, and accommodation niya. Alright, miyara si Jean Piaget sang apat ka stage. Kaya nga, si Jean Piaget nagapati nga ang mga bata, guys, no, they think differently from adults, no? Layo sila panumdum compare sa tigulang. And gapati siya nga, their thinking develops as they grow. No? Though each stage bala nagalain on how they understand the world. Right? Do in short, do ga-upgrade lang ang brain nga OS or operating system every few years. No? Every year, nag-update ang OS sang brain. Wow, sir, IT yarn. Alright, let's go. Number one. Stage 1 una. Ang stage 1 niya, amo ng sensory motor. 0 to 2 years old. 0 to 2 years old. Ano na yung kakatabo? Coordination of senses with motor responses. Sir, ang 0 to 2 years old ga motor? Hindi. Alright? Sensory curiosity about the world, language used for demands, and cataloging. Object permanence is developed. Object permanence. So ano bra ni sa mga bata? Through senses, guys. Ano obra sa mga bata? Ano ni ang napanumdum sa bata? Through senses. Seeing, touching, and of course, movement. Alright? Ang key nga skill gid di nga ma-develop is object permanence. No, anong object permanence? Ay ginambayan na yung object permanence. Ano na siya? Understanding that things still exist even if you can't see them. So that's why mga bata uso na 'di bang pikabo, amo na 0 to 2 years old ginapikabo ang mga bata na. Hindi mo pwede mapikabo ang tupad balayan yung nga tigulang na, no? Kay nga may object permanence na ang bata diri naga-develop. So for example, tabunan mo siya tapos mabuka naman ara gyapon. Oh, pikabo, 'di ba? That's your sensory motor 0 to 2 years old. Mayari man di sa dalom actually. Aryo, yan. Learning through 5 senses, ginamba ko na. 5 senses, tama? Development of imitative behaviors, blah, 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 object permanence, ari siya. Ari. Alright? Next is pre-operational. Pre-operational, 2 to 7 years old. 2 to 7 years old. Ano ni siya yan? Ang kakatabo dire? Symbolic thinking, use of proper syntax and grammar to express concepts. Imagination and intuition are strong. But complex abstract thoughts are difficult and conservation is developed. Arisa number 2. Semiotic function, one-way logic, egocentrism, ego guys, self lang nila. Alright? Difficulty with the principle of conservation. Ano nang kakatabo? They use what? Symbols and imagination. Amo ning ginamin niya na di. Alright? But still, thinking it's still illogical and egocentric. So, naga-focus ng gyapon sila kaugalingon. Alright? Egocentrism, ano na? They think everyone sees the world the way they do. So, abi nila, ang kalibutan, panulok sang kalibutan, same sa iya panulok man. So, for example, matabon ang bata, no? Matabon ang bata, 4 years old, matabon siya sa iya mata, and nagapati siya nga hindi niya man siya makita. Hindi niya man makita, alright? Centration, okay. Next is concrete operational, 7-11. Alright, 7 to 11 years old, concrete operational. Concepts attached to concrete situations, time, space, and quantity are understood and can be applied, but not as independent concepts. So hands-on thinking, identity, compensation, reversibility, classification, seriation. Alright, more logical na di sila ya. But only about real, concrete things they can see or touch. So example, ang conservation, actually already. Doon sa na yung blah, blah, blah. Example, Ano na di, knowing the clay that is shaped into a ball or snake is still the same amount. Dira na sa concrete operational. Alright? So, formal na guys, alright? Formal na siya. Hypothetic, deductive reasoning. Hypothetic, deductive reasoning, abstract thinking, dira nagsulod scientific reasoning, dira nagsulod kay nga 11 years to adulthood hasta magtigulang na. Alright? Adolescent, egocentrism, and imaginary audience. So, not all individuals reach this stage. That's why, guys, iban, bilin, gyapon sa concrete operational. Alright? Hindi na makalabot sa formal operational. Guys, hindi mo pagambalan ni mo classmate nga immature, ha? Uy, wala ka pa kalabot sa formal operational. Na guys, hindi, guys. Alright? Pero, not all individuals reach this stage. Alright? Conclusion, blah, blah, blah. Piaget made important contributions to our understanding of normal intellectual in development. Alright. Hypothetical reasoning, guys, sa formal operational, ang namin niya lang nagapamangkot siya sa mga what if, alright? Abstract concepts like justice, love, freedom, mga mana. Logical problem solving, mga use niya siya sa mga systematic strategies, alright? 11 years old to adulthood. Next, si Lawrence Kohlberg. Pila na to? Wow, very good. 6 minutes. Alright, so Lawrence Kohlberg, ano na siya ya? Ano na siya? Last na to ni nga theorist. Yay, UD, tapos yung TFN. Alright, so Lawrence Kohlberg, guys. Churay do artista. Sino nalipat ko? Ano ni Yaya? Moral development. Theory of what? Moral development. Napause. Mag-up lang ani. Morality is the system one uses to decide what is right and wrong. How one's conscience affects choices. So, ang konsensya, moralidad, right? That's your morality. Tama na siya. Kohlberg defines moral judgments as what? As judgments of value, as social judgments, and judgments, blah, blah, blah. Kuritan talang. Okay? He was inspired by Swiss psychologist, si Jean Piaget, bago lang, alright? And si John Dewey. Jean Piaget, bagutan lang yung sorry, alright? Moral development across lifespan, moral emotions, blah, blah. Guys, si Kohlberg, mayroon siya sang anum ka? Stage, di na taman. Ari sila, obedience, ari sila anum. Pero separate sa tatlo, para hapos, alright? Ang anum nga na, tatlo ni ang originalya. May pre-conventional, conventional, and post-conventional, alright? Kadto kita sa pre-conventional. Ang pre-conventional morality, right and wrong determined by rewards and punishment. Punishment and obedience or obedience, whatever leads to punishment is wrong. Rewards kung mayo. Okay? Kay gina-rewardan ka. Muna. Level 2, conventional morality, views of others matter. Avoidance of blame, syempre likawan mong basulon ka. And of course, gasikas ang approval. In short, do society. Society. Good intentions, behaving in ways that conform to good behavior. Ay, alama, si ano na, ni Yano Brown, ati mayo na sa, di ba? Ang sang sang palibot sa imo, sang society, no? Others, amo na siya, ay mayo na siya, good behavior nang ginapakita, Alright? And of course, stage 4, obedience to authority. Of course, importance of doing one's duty. Kapati siya nga duty na. Alright? Nga ang pagiging mayo or para mayo imo konsensya or imo nga morality, pati ka kung ano ang imo nga duty, like maging mayo nga tawo, matabok sa tsakto nga talabukan, hindi manigarilyo sa muni nga lugar, mga manabla. Level 3, post-conversion morality, more of rights or justice. Alright? Abstract notions of justice. Rights of others can override obedience to laws, rules. Di ang stage 5, difference between moral and legal right. Recognition that rules should sometimes be broken. Kapati siya kis akin ang naman gubon ang layi siguro para sa greater good. I don't know. Pero mo na siya. Stage 6, individual principles of conscience takes account of likely views of everyone affected by a moral decision. Moral decision. Alright, so stage 1, obedience and punishment orientation. I follow rules so I don't get punished. Amo na siya ang point yada. Nagapati ka para hindi ka ipanisyon. Example, you don't cheat on a test because you might get caught. Tama? Wala ka pangilog kay basi madakpan ka. Kung madakpan ka, may punishment. So number 2, individualism and exchange. Alright? Instrumentation. I do what benefits me, you do what benefits you. Wala. Example, you help a classmate because you expect them to help you next time. Okay. Next, sa instrumental, conventional morality, common in teens and adults, of course. Moral reasoning is based on social expectations. Amo na ginamba ko gina nga ayala nami na sa kay good boy na good behavior na ginapakita iya. Amo na siya namin ko. Kay tawag expected siya mo. Social expectation siya. Tama? Next is 4, law and order. Sa 3D gambal, kapanadi nga I want to be seen as good person, as a good person. Amo na. Example, you are kind because you want others to think well of you. Amo na ang buot ka, mayo ka, kay para mayo panulok sang tao simo. Okay? Sorry. Balik kita. Law and order. Actually, ari. Sige lang. Law and order is rules and laws must be followed to maintain order. Tama. Rules and laws should be followed to maintain order. Example yan na is you don't litter because it's the law and society needs rules. Tama? So nagapakamayo ka, amo na yung morality, no? Mayo ka, wala ka gahaboy, kay gapati ka nga layi na siya sang inyo nga lugar or layi na siya sa dira. Okay? Kag kinanlan ang layi para damo ang mapati. Amo na. Next, number 5, sa social contract orientation. Iyan na nasa sang post-conventional, guys. Magamit ang post-conventional, use the principle behind the social norm to direct their behavior. Reasoning based on social rules and norms, reason according to self-perspective. Alright, sa post-conventional, ano ang social contract orientation? Laws are important, but they should benefit everyone. Nagapati ka nga layi, importante, pero dapat tanan makabenepisyo. Alright? For example, nagapati ka nga iislan ang layi nga unfair, maskin legal siya. Di ko gusto magambas ang example, pero basta mo na. Support ka nga islan ang layi, maskin legal na gani ang layi, pero islan siya gyapon. Alright? Number 6 is universal ethical principle orientation. I follow moral principles like justice, equality, human rights, even if laws disagree. Example, a person risks punishment to stand up against discrimination. Alright? Amo na yung universal ethical principle orientation. Nag-follow ka sa moral principles like justice, equality, and human rights even if nag-disagree ka na sa law. That's your universal ethical principle orientation. 3 levels of reasoning. Okay? You know what? Yan lang ako number. Alright, that's it.